Well, I noticed the dog's out here eating something. And this is what I found. Troy, Bandit, and Lizzie all sharing dog kibble. He had taken the lid off. Gotten in the dog food. Buddy, don't eat it. Give it to the puppies. Yeah, that's better. It's not for boys. It's for puppies. Yeah, that's better. Spit that out. Yuck. Spit it out. Patooey. Puppies will eat it. Spit it out. Hmm? Let me help you out of there, bud.